Hey guys, Ashley here. There have been some questions about how to use the fillable graphic organizers that are provided on through collections and how to use those with students in Google Classroom. So I'm going to do a real quick demo and show you how to do that. So first of all, you're going to need to find the graphic organizer that you want to do. So in your teacher resources, you will see graphic organizers for reading. Click there and then go to explore the library of graphic organizers. And then you'll see a whole library of different graphic organizers you might want to use with any of the lessons you're doing. So I'm going to just pick one. Up here, you'll see a link. You'll notice that this is completely fillable. So you want to leave it blank and copy that link at the top. Then what you're going to do is go into your Google Classroom under classwork, create an assignment for your students. I'm going to title this graphic organizer demo. And I'm going to use the link button and provide the link, paste it right there to that graphic organizer. Okay, so when students go to this assignment, they'll just click that link. I'm going to go ahead and click assign. Oh, I'm going to actually give it a category first. Let me give it a category. It's going to be formative, and I'm going to say topic. I'm going to put it in Google Classroom. So those are things that you can set up, and if you need help setting up those things, I can show you how to do that too. So I'm going to click assign, and then it pops up right there under my topic of Google Classroom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull over another tab that I have open of the student view of this. Okay, so you can see what the students see. So when the student gets into their Google Classroom and they open their classwork tab, they're going to see that graphic organizer demo there. They'll also see it on the stream. The stream is like a Twitter feed or a Facebook feed of like the most recent things that are posted in the class. So they can go either place to access it. Once they click it, they open the link and then they'll be able to fill in the PDF. So I'm just going to put my name, ELA, date 9/10. It's not 2011, Ashley. Hello. Um, and then they're going to fill in their answers. Okay, so I'm just going to type something for now so you can see what it does. So I'm filling it in. And then what they're going to do is they're going to go to the print button up here. Once they open that, where it says destination, and you're going to have to show this to them. So under destination, click the drop down arrow, and they're going to save it to their Google Drive. And when they save it to their Google Drive, it will save all the answers that they've typed in. And then click the blue button, save. Then they can close it. And when they're ready to turn it in, go to their view their assignment. When over here on the right hand side, you'll see a button that says add or create. So they can click that, go into their Google Drive, and it's automatically going to default to the most recent thing they've opened. And I'm not seeing it, so I'm going to look in my drive. There it is. I'm going to click the one I want and then click add. And then they hit the turn in button. And then when you see it, you'll be able to see their answers. So I'm going to move the student version out of the way, go back to the teacher version, go under grades, and I see that he's turned in this assignment. And when I pull it up, I can see his work. I can check it, I can add comments, and then when I'm done, I just click return, no grade, because it's just formative. I'm just checking to see if they understood, or I could give them grades, up to you. So that's how you add a graphic organizer, a fillable graphic organizer from the collections curriculum into your Google Classroom. If you need assistance with any of this, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to help you out anytime.